Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Band 9 in IELTS Writing Task 2. I'll provide you with step-by-step strategies plus Band 9 model answers. Let's get started. Band 9 in IELTS Writing Task 2 sounds impossible for most students. People think you need perfect grammar, crazy vocabulary, or genius ideas, but none of them is true. Band 9 is not about being smart. It's about being clear, logical, and controlled. In this video, I'll show you exactly how examiners give Band 9 and how you can reach it step by step. Keep in mind that Band 9 is rare but possible, and it's about technique, not talent. First of all, let's see what does Band 9 actually mean. Band 9 means the examiner can read your essay easily, smoothly, and without effort. That is to say, you answer the questions perfectly, which is your task response. Your ideas flow logically, which is coherence and cohesion. Your vocabulary is natural and precise, which is lexical resource. And you use a wide range of structures with very few mistakes. That is your grammar. Band 9 is not about showing off. It's about making the examiner's life easy. Let's start with understanding the question. Band 9 dies here if this goes wrong. Let's see an example question.
Some people believe that children should be taught financial skills at school. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
So here is how Band 9 students think. What is the topic? Financial skills. Who are involved? Children. Where? School. And what is the question type? Opinion. Agree or disagree. A Band 9 essay answers everything, not part of the question. Step 2 is writing an introduction. Introduction is simply paraphrasing the question plus giving a clear opinion. Let's see an example for it.
It is often argued that schools should take responsibility for teaching children how to manage money. I completely agree with this view, as financial education helps young people make responsible decisions and prepares them for real-world challenges.
As you can see in the example, I have stated a very clear opinion by saying, I completely agree with this view. The opinion is explicit, the examiner doesn't guess, and there is no weak language, I think or I somewhat agree. Also, there is no memorized language. As I use sentences like, it is often argued that helps young people make responsible decisions and prepares them for real-world challenges. These phrases are natural, not textbook cliches. The natural tone is another good point here. I used sentences like teaching children how to manage money, make responsible decisions, and real-world challenges. The words are normal English, not fake academic vocabulary. They sound like an educated human, not a dictionary. And finally, the answer is direct. Schools should take responsibility for teaching children how to manage money. I clearly used children, school, and financial skills. Your essay should be written in a way that examiner doesn't ask, okay, but what is the essay really about? Next step is writing a Band 9 body paragraph. As I explained in previous videos, Band 9 paragraph structure is very simple. Topic sentence, explanation, example, and result or conclusion. Let's see an example for it.
One major reason why financial education should be taught at school is that it helps children develop responsible spending habits from an early age. Many young people struggle with debt later in life simply because they were never taught how to budget or save money. For example, students who learn basic financial planning at school are more likely to manage their income wisely and avoid unnecessary loans as adults.
It's a Band 9 body paragraph because it has one clear idea, as it says, helps children develop responsible spending habits. It is fully explained. The reason is developed, not just mentioned. There are relevant examples, and the example directly supports the main idea. Language is very natural, simple, precise vocabulary with no memorized phrases, and it has a clear grammar. Sentences are varied and easy to understand. Step 4 is using vocabularies that sounds natural, not fancy. Band 9 vocabulary is not difficult vocabulary, it's accurate vocabulary. Examiners prefer clarity. So wrong words equal to low band and simple but precise vocabulary equals to higher band. In IELTS Perfection, there are many videos about IELTS Writing Task 2 vocabulary, but one of them is high scoring vocabulary for IELTS Writing Task 1 and 2, Band 9 academic words. Next step is using a grammar range with control. You need to use all sentence types depending on the content and the question. Simple, compound, and complex sentences. Let's see an example.
Although some parents believe that financial education should be taught at home, schools are better equipped to provide structured and consistent lessons.
As you can see, there is no crazy structure, and the meaning is always clear. Keep in mind that one perfect sentence doesn't give Band 9. Consistent control does. And step 6 is conclusion. Conclusion is simply restating the opinion plus summary. Let's see a Band 9 conclusion example.
In conclusion, I strongly believe that teaching financial skills at school is essential, as it equips children with practical knowledge and prepares them for independent adult life.
Easy, right? No new ideas, clear opinion repeated, and calm ending. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next video.